Yo, what it do? What it do? Okay, so, let me back up a little bit. So, just wanted to make this quicker with a little video. But before we get into this video, two things I want to tell you. I got this brand new zipper jacket thingy, a jig thing, a jig. Okay. But the second thing is, we went to this Fragile shop. It was like this, what do you call it? What do you call these things? It was like, they made ice cream, but like, they made it out of this gas thing, the neon thing. I'll show you a clip of that right here. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. So, the next thing is, obviously, you know that I edit, but, just gonna show you guys some edits, like, some sound effects, like, here's the alarm. There you go, that's the alarm. Let's see a golf hit. Let's hear a golf hit. Children laughing. Children booing. And, yeah. So those are some sound effects. I can't memorize them all. Don't know, but here's some couple other ones right here. I don't know what I just played, but I'm gonna edit this video. So yeah, that's what I wanted to make this video about. It's just a short video, you know. Just dope. Alright, sick. Bye.